All right. So before I go to the next part, I would like to ask if any of you have any questions or any problem during the installation of Anaconda. I saw some questions that were posted on Google Classroom, and let me go through it. I'll share my screen. I think I'm not allowed to share my screen. Oh, yeah, yes, I got it. Yeah. So let's go to the comments that were posted on Google Classroom. And I think I've answered most of the queries. I don't know if that solved your problem. So if that solved your problem, please reply in the comment box so that it will be useful for other people. So I answered the question by Naresh, and then there were some problems reported by Sashank, and I think Rishabh has replied to that. The Loy question that Qiskit metal, I was taking some time. Don't worry about it at this point of time, because the tutors for quantum computing, they will tell you what to do with that. Keshav, yeah, Keshav, I think Rishabh's solution should work for Keshav's problem. And yeah, that is it. I don't see any other big problems reported. So, but if there are any other problems, please raise your hands. Then I can help you out in that. Yes, Sashank.
So Conda is really slow in downloading packages.
I understand that. I understand that. In fact, I also tried installing all the packages. Everything that I'm explaining to you, I did it myself on a new computer, and I found that to be time consuming.
Packages like dilute or uproot, or I mean regular packages also.
For regular packages, that's very strange. I mean, like I can understand the Qiskit metal. I also face the same problem. I think Rishabh had a question or comment. Yeah.
Yeah. So, like I also felt that Conda is like even for regular packages and all, after you make the environment, Conda does take some time in solving the environment and all. There is an alternative to Conda. It's called Mamba. It's completely written in C++ and it's much faster. And when I tried installing all these things in Mamba, everything installed within 2 minutes. If anyone wants, they can try that.
Okay.
Completely equivalent to Conda.
Okay. All right.
Okay, but then while installing root, will there be any interference like people was interfering? I mean,
Yeah, please go ahead. Please go ahead.
I mean, all the problems that come with Conda will, I think, also come with Mamba. Like they are basically equivalent, but like Mamba is faster because it's like they have made it such a way. But I don't expect any additional problem to
okay,
come.
so for this course, is Anaconda really necessary? I mean, can I go with BIP if it is possible?
Yeah, perfect, perfect. So that's what I think I mentioned somewhere in the comment. Yeah. So Shauna.
Yes, sir. So I have a comment about this. So I faced this exact same problem, and I found a solution on Stack Overflow yesterday. But as he said, there is of course Mamba, but there is an alternative to that. Is the solver in Conda is really slow, which is what usually is the problem. Yesterday I was looking at it, solving environment. That's the process that takes the longest time. But there is a singular command that you can use that makes your default solver into libmamba, which is sort of an Conda package to solve. So it sets your default solver into Mamba, so it solves it almost really quickly. I can paste the command that I have
That would
used
be
in
great.
the chat.
Not in the chat. Can you put it on the Google Classroom? Because
yeah,
that would be
okay,
great.
sir.
Yeah, I'll also try that.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, coming to the problem of how to resolve conflicts with Python. Is it a problem of Conda? Is it a problem of PIP? No, I would say that it's a problem of multiple Python installations. So if you're clear about which Python installation you're using for your root compilation, I think that solves most of the problems.
Okay.
All right. So you compile root with one Python, and then probably that Python is not found while running root. That creates all the issues. But and that's the reason, if we know, if everyone installs Anaconda, I know which Python they're using, and I know how to figure out where the problem is. Right? But essentially, if you know where they are, no issues at all. Please proceed with using the Python distribution of your choice. All right. Okay. So I think there's no other question. I can't ask you any questions on a simple installation. Let me go to my slides. So please raise your hands if you have created your GitHub account, because this is something that we will use. Yeah. Thank you. I don't see many hands. Yeah. Okay. If you already have it, not an issue. Okay. All right. So I will say a few things that I like about GitHub and the features that it gives you. Right. Let me go to my. Oh, I'm not looking at these things. All right. So I hope you can see my screen. So this is the plan for today. So we will start first with the installation of root. And as I told you yesterday, the compilation is very likely to take time depending on the system configuration. And let us start the compilation. And as it compiles, we will look into other things that may be interesting. And once the compilation is done, then we can test if root is working for you. And if there are any issues, we can also address that. Let me go back to the folder structure that I was telling you yesterday. So this is the folder structure that I proposed. This is to make sure that everyone has a uniform folder structure that makes the troubleshooting easier. So you have a folder named EHEP, preferably on your desktop, inside which you will have three folders. One is downloads, where all the files will be downloaded, and a G4 folder inside which you have three folders, subfolders: build, data, and install, and then the root folder inside which you have build and install. And the script that I gave you yesterday should have already created these things for you, and it should have already downloaded the root and Gian4 and all these data sets. So please confirm if this was done on your computer and you see the directory structures, and if Gian4 data sets have been downloaded. Please raise your hand. Okay. I'm going to request one of you. I'll take the first candidate, first student. Shaunak, is it okay if you can show your desktop to us, share your screen with us, so that I can demonstrate to other candidates or other students also?
So what would you like me to share?
Your desktop, where the EHEP folder is, and everyone can see that.
So is it for the root installation? Because I already have root
No, but you have run that ehep.sh, right?
Yes, I have.
All right. So I just want to see that folder structure on your computer, so that I have not run on my computer. Is it okay,
Okay,
or I can ask someone else?
so I'll try presenting it, because I actually run Linux on a WSL variant, so
Okay.
I'll
So
have to see
then,
if it actually
is
works.
there anyone else who would like to demonstrate? Rahul, would you mind sharing your desktop? Jayesh. Okay, Jayesh, please go ahead.
Deepak, you unshare then first.
Jayesh, are you sharing your screen or?
Josh, you are muted.
Okay, Shaunak, is it okay to? Shaunak, can you please share your screen? I don't know. Are there any volunteers who would willing? Please let me know because I would like to demonstrate that. Abhay,
Sir, my connection is quite slow, so I am using my phone to
all right. Okay.
use.
So nobody else has downloaded this.
Sir, I can share my screen.
All right. Okay. So Jayesh is going to share the screen. All right. So can you go to your desktop and yes, and you can open the EHEP. So please see this directory structure. Can you go back once again? Previous, yeah. So this is the script that has created that EHEP folder, and he has created this on that on another folder, not on a desktop. That's perfectly okay. So can you open that EHEP folder? Yes, and inside which you have downloads. Can you open downloads, please? Yeah, so this is downloaded the Gian4 root and all those stuff. I don't know if it has downloaded the Gian4 data sets. And let's go back. No, to the EHEP folder. Yeah, so the root folder, can you just now open it? So inside the root folder, you see that it has copied the zip file and it is untarred it inside this automatically, that script, and then you have a build folder and install folder. And you can also just have a look at what is inside the Gian4 folder. Yes, please. Yeah, so inside the Gian4 folder, you have build, install data, and the source code, which is there. And can you open the data folder, please? So inside the data folder, you will see all those files. Okay, so this is the structure that hopefully everyone has got on your computer. So now today, let's proceed to install root. And so, okay, thank you, Aditi. Can you just, let me show it on somebody else's computer, then it becomes easier. So let's go back to the root folder. I'm going to go a little slower. Yes, and then inside the build folder. Okay, so there's also a command line way of compiling root, but let me show how it is done using a GUI, because while typing some commands you might miss some things, and I don't want that to happen. So from your terminal, go to the build folder inside root. On your terminal, go to the build folder. Yeah, open it. Very good. Yes. Okay. I don't know why don't I see the terminal. Can you show the terminal, please? Yeah, good. So this is the terminal. So you are now inside the root build folder. So we're going to use a GUI, the CMake GUI to create the build file. CMake 3 minus GUI, CMake 3 minus, not CMake 3 minus GUI, minus GUI, yeah. Oh, I thought it was installed already, or just type CMake GUI. No, CMake GUI without the 3.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Partha.
Yeah, so whenever I am opening a new terminal, the conda is automatically getting activated. So do I have to deactivate it
No,
while
you can leave
installing?
it like that. That's good. I mean,
Oh,
like, if you want to deactivate it, you can go to your bash rc folder, bash rc file, and uncomment all. So,
okay.
yeah. So can you just move that CMake GUI a little bit down? I mean, I just want to see what is the version. Oh, I don't see what's the title on. Yeah, it's 3.16. CMake is all right. So this is the CMake GUI. Of course, there's a command line. Experts would prefer to use the command line, but let me show this first, and then we can go to the command line options. So there are few entries that you have to provide. So you have to first provide where the source code is. The source code, can you please, yeah, is there in that root minus 6.28. Yeah, that's a source code. So we have to go there. Please open. No, you don't. No, you don't have to do that. Please open this CMake GUI. Don't go out of it. Yeah. So now, can you just 1 minute? Can you go to the root folder first? Let that be, go back one folder. Yeah. And open the CMake GUI now. Keep it like this. No. Don't touch. Just open the CMake GUI. Yeah. So where is the source code? So the source code is in root minus 6.28. So please click browse source. And then, yeah, so then open, click on open. No, wait, hold on. So there is root, yeah, click on that. And then root 6 point, yeah, open that now. Yes, so because this video is getting recorded, I just wanted this to be useful for all of you. So what we have done is we have now indicated where the source code is located. So this is where the source code is located, root minus 6.28.06. This is just the untarred version of the file that we downloaded from the root web page. And so now we have to tell CMake where you want to build the binary. So there's a location where all the building goes. So that is in the build folder. So now I'm going to ask you to select the build folder and set it there. So browse build. Yeah, the build folder. Yes. Good. So now that this is the first step. All right. So first thing is to set where the source code is and to tell where you're going to build the folder, build the files. All right. And now the next step is to click on configure. There is a configure button down. Just hold on. Yeah. So everyone should see that configure button and you click on that. All right. Hold on. Don't go. So here, so there are many options for the beginners. I would suggest to accept the default settings. Can you just drop down, see what the other options are? So you have you can choose multiple make files, but I would go by Unix make files. Yeah, that's the default setting. And if you have multiple compilers, GCC, different compilers are there. Yeah, you can essentially make the choice here. All right, so now next, finish. All right, so you can see it's doing quite a lot of things in the background.
Hello,
Yes, who's this, please?
sir. I'm Sadhna. Sir, how did you get this window? Because I opened it in my desktop as well as in terminal, but I didn't get this
All right,
window.
hold on. I will let's
Yes.
wait for this thing and I'll get back to you. So,
Sir, hello.
please introduce yourself.
Hello, sir. This is Ahmadullah.
Yeah, please.
In my case, it is showing error in configuration process. After
Okay,
doing
so
that.
let this get over and then I will take questions from all of you. All right?
Okay, sir.
Because yeah. All right. So now this is the configure process. Please don't do anything. I want you to be demonstrating every step. So this is the configuration process. All right. And it's very, I mean, like if your computer is installed with all the latest libraries, usually it doesn't throw any errors. But it's a good thing that you check, you know, if there are any errors at this stage, because if you omit them, then later on, it's not difficult, but it's time consuming. You have to recompile and all those things. So just go through the text down and see if there are any errors reported. Not there, yeah. So can you just make it a little bigger and then, yeah, just, yeah. Okay, yeah. Yes. So there are some, this thing, I think this can be safely omitted. It's okay. All right. Okay. So that is it. So that's the configure step. And at this point, I would like to take some questions. So I will go the first, some person I forgot her name.
Sir, it's me.
Please introduce yourself because I don't see you speaking.
Ahmadullah, sir.
Ahmadullah, please.
It's showing error, CMake error.
Can you show me your screen, please?
Okay.
Jayesh, I think you need to hold on, freeze your screen, you can unshare. And please don't do anything because we're going to demonstrate everything on your computer. All right? Please unshare and I will go back to Ahmadullah. Please share your screen.
Okay, sir.
And we don't see anything, unfortunately.
It's not there.
Okay, so there was someone, another girl who was asking, what
Yes,
was
sir.
it?
Hello.
Yeah, can you please share your screen meanwhile? Sadhana, yeah, Sadhana, please share your screen.
Sir, it is on desktop actually.
I mean, like, oh, you can't share it, is it?
Yeah.
Did you type CMake 3 minus GUI on your terminal?
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Gaurav, please go ahead.
Yeah, sir. So I want to ask that since the root is already installed in my system, so do I need to repeat these steps?
No,
But
no, you don't have to.
I installed it using Snap package directly, not.
Yeah, that is one of the easiest way. But then if you want other options, I don't think that the Snap comes with all the options. You know,
Other options like.
I don't know. I will show you in some time once I.
Okay, so then I should. I should also.
It's up to you. I mean, like that. The choice is yours. All right. The thing
So,
is that.
What I want to ask is, if I want to repeat this step, do I need to uninstall the previously existing Snap
You don't have
package?
to, because the installation that I'm demonstrating is a local installation. It doesn't affect anything else. You can always, delete that folder that I was showing you, and then the installation is gone. It doesn't affect anything else.
So, but then if I type the root after the installation, which root is?
That also I will tell you. There are certain things that you need to do. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
There's a script that you have to. Yeah. So this is. All right. So there was some comment on the chat box. I'll just answer it and get back to you. So just a minute. So the command is cmake a minute. Okay. Make minus GUI or cmake 3 minus GUI. One of them, whichever works. Oh, sorry, I have to send it to everyone. Oh, sorry. My cmake Yeah, thank you. So one of those
Sir,
commands.
sir,
Yeah, please.
uh, hello, sir.
Yeah, please
Since
introduce.
Ahmadullah, sir, since
Yeah.
I'm not able to share the screen, or something happening wrong.
Okay,
So
all right.
the error I am typing here in the chat box.
Okay.
I am getting. This is the error, sir. I have.
Oh, I thought that, no, did you use that EHEP script that I've given because XPM headers have been already installed in the dependencies? Or you've not used it?
So, can you please repeat?
No, I gave you that script, right?
Yeah.
Did you run that script or not yet? Hello?
Sir, I don't understand which script you're talking.
Yesterday, I was.
Yeah, I have run that. Yeah.
But that installs libxpm already, if I remember correctly. So then, well, doesn't matter. You have to install this first. So I'm just sending the command. So please install that.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Keshav, please go ahead.
Sir, I have typed like CMake GUI in my terminal. Then, sir,
CMake minus GUI.
Yeah, CMake minus GUI. Then, like another window open like CMake 3.27.7.
Okay, can you show the screen or is it not possible?
So actually, I am using Zoom in my phone and terminal in computer.
Oh, okay.
And so then it is written where is source code. Then I typed home Keshav EHEP root 6.28.06. Then then below it is written preset. So I don't know what to write in preset.
Oh, but is it different from? I mean, I need to see the screen because it's a little different.
Can I put it on
I'm
Google
also
Glass?
getting the same thing. Should
Can
I
you,
share?
who's that? Because please.
Partho,
please, can you share your
Okay.
screen? Then
Okay.
I can tell you.
And sir, back to this window, I am getting warning, case insensitive sorting, like this thing.
In the terminal, is it?
Case insensitive. I don't know what is happening. This.
Okay, I just have to see that window so that it's easier.
I think Ahmadullah is sharing. So,
Ahmadullah, can you please stop sharing the screen?
I have already stopped, sir.
No, we are still seeing your screen for some reason. I don't know. Let me check.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, is it stopped?
Yeah, it's stopped. Yes. Keshav, so Partha, I think you can share your screen. Keshav, all right. Okay. Yeah. Oh, that's okay. I mean, that's you can you don't have to worry about it. So that's perfect. So you have to click on configure. Down.
Okay.
No, that should be specify the generator. I think that should be Unix. That's what we said. Yeah, this is a new one. Oh, this is 3.27. Unix makefile. Yes. Finish.
Sir, what to do? What he did, sir? Can you repeat what he did?
Can you show?
Like same thing happened with him, sir. Like Green Hills multi specify the generator.
You have to select. Can you just drop down? Yeah, drop down. No, use the drop down. Yes. That Unix makefile. Yes. So you see that there are these things. So select Unix makefiles.
1 second. Unix.
So which computer, which operating system?
Linux Ubuntu 22.04.
Oh, so this should be there. Unix makefile should be there.
Yeah, sir, this is there. Yeah.
Yeah, that's all. And that's exactly what I said in the previous case. Okay, please go ahead, configure.
Okay, so just one thing. So the source code is this one.
Yeah, root 6.2. Yeah. Finish.
Main file, the root.
Yes.
Okay.
Finish.
Finish.
Okay. All right. So except for a few errors. I don't know what errors that is. So if you have a libxpm error, so I've sent it on the chat box. So you have to install libxpm, go to your terminal, install that, and then once again run configure. Yes. Sudo apt-get install libxpm -dev.
So I did the same. Said Samadullah. I was having the same error.
So I've sent
But
the.
yeah, I did the same, but still now it is the I'm
Check
seeing
it.
the same error.
Let's check it here. Sudo apt-get install lib. Yeah, enter. Yeah, now click configure. Go to that and click configure again. You can leave it like that. Yeah, configure. Okay, so you have to install XFT also. So I don't know. Probably your system is not up to date, but well, you can try just sudo apt-get install libxft -dev. Yeah, I've sent the command on the chat box. You can have a look at it. Someone is asking for that. libxft, yes.
XFT.
Yeah, whatever it complains there. Yeah. So it says that libxft is not found. So you have to install that. libxft. In fact, if you have, yeah, enter. Yeah, configure. All right, so that doesn't matter. I think you can disable this Google test. That is could not find good. Is your all right? Can you just show the options in the CMake this thing? And if you have this Google test enabled, yeah. No, not here, not here. Okay, just a minute. I will just go back to the original system. Keep it like this. I'll come back to you. So this is what's your name? Sorry, this is your
Partho.
Partho. I'll just get back to you. Okay. So the first computer where we use.
Should I unshare?
You should unshare.
Okay.
Yeah. We'll go to the next one. I forgot his name. I'm sorry, the original computer. Jayesh. All right. So this is where probably most of you are, and some of you have got errors. So I just want you to maximize the CMake and tell you certain things. Yes. All right. So here, the red color thing is where you set in the compiler flags. Okay, so there are many compiler flags that and some you don't have to really worry about, and some may be very crucial. I will tell you, for example, you have to tell where you want to install your root, and just to make sure that your current installation does not conflict with others, you choose the CMake install prefix. Can you just point your mouse? Yeah. No, yeah. CMake install prefix is where these root will be installed. So that will be set to that install folder that you created inside root. Yeah. No, I'll tell you. No, don't go there at this point. Yeah. So that's the install folder. So you copy that. The build folder location is just above your cursor. Just copy that. No, just above. Yeah. Copy that entire thing and paste it in CMake install. delete and paste it. Or just press the enable button. Is it not pasting? Or you have a dotted, you can choose from that, this thing, you can choose home Sanket. No, you have to home/home. No, it's home/home. Sanket/my. No, home, not user. Yes, home Sanket/Sanket. /Sanket/my EHEP/ yes, you just select the folder, it's easy as that. EHEP/root/install, not build, /install. Okay, install, please make it correct. Yes. All right, so this is the first thing that I want every one of you to do. Even people who have errors, please make this correction. The CMake install prefix tells you where root should it be installed. Okay, so now I'm telling it, please install it in that folder which we have specifically created. All right, if you make it in as a user local, then that leads to conflicts. You can do that also, but you have to be a little careful with that. Let's go go look at other flags. There is this CMake install Python directory, and that's something very important. So if you have installed Anaconda, I would suggest choose that one. All right, but if you're comfortable with the Python that is already there in your computer, it's already telling that it's there in library, lib, leave it like that. Okay, so Jayesh, have you installed Anaconda or no?
No.
All right, so then, well, if you have installed Anaconda, you can look at my slides in my website that I shared yesterday. Let me share just hold on. I will share mine. So for me,
Should I stop sharing?
No, you can keep it like that. Anaconda path is home Samuel. I'm putting it on the chat box for everyone to see. So my Python location installed by Anaconda is this on the chat box, home Samuel Anaconda 3 bin/Python. So if you also have installed Anaconda, so you can see an Anaconda 3 folder wherever you have installed it. So it's ideally should be there wherever you inside the downloads folder or something like that. Okay. And there's a Python.
What about Miniconda?
Oh, well, that you have to find it out. I don't know where you have installed it.
Okay, if I have installed and I have the Miniconda location, then we need to. It will be in the bin of it, or
yeah, exactly.
Okay.
You can also search by which command, na?
Which, yes, you can put which Python. All right, so this is the next part. The first one is the install part, and this is the most crucial part. So now, going by Jayesh's setting, Python is going to be compiled with the Python that is found in this lib folder. Okay, and this is something that you need to know. You need to know with which Python is your root compiled. So shall we just? I hope nobody has any problems. So please search for your.
Sir, can you repeat, sir?
Just one at a time, please.
Sir, are you saying that like we have to replace this CMake install Python directory with that that command that you write in chat box with our own directories?
With your own directories, yeah. It's typically found inside that downloads folder where you invoke that /anaconda yesterday, right? So search, there should be an Anaconda 3 folder there, inside which you will find bin folder, inside which you will find Python. Okay.
Okay.
But if
Okay.
not, if you have installed somewhere else, put that Python executable.
Okay.
Sir,
One at a time, please. Who's this?
sir, Saurabh.
Saurabh, please.
Sir, actually, I have already installed root before, so do I need to repeat this?
No, I repeat this once again, that if you have already installed, you don't have to worry.
Okay, sir, actually, the question is like, in future, like when I install Xian4, it will not be a problem or anything.
Well, that you have to manage. I cannot guarantee, but it's a good exercise. See, you should know how to install the software, all right? So if you have already installed root by yourself, that's not a problem. But I think you should, know these small details.
Okay, yes, sir. Thank you.
Sir. Okay. Sorry, Deepak, I just interject here a little bit.
Yeah.
Now, this question student again ask, and I'm saying that for all the students, as Deepak says, that this is the installation you will do in separate area. It will not hamper your already existing area. You may not use it. So I would request you follow this instruction, install it somewhere. Already if you install, but this is another procedure he showed, that this is also a learning phase, how to install the package in the different way. So you installed it, you do not use it, you will not use it, maybe afterwards you delete it. It may for the time being occupy a little bit of space. So I would say that you installed it and then it's not required, you will not use it, but this is also another learning phase, how to install the different softwares in the different procedures. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, some question was there, some student.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I am Lal Tugaji, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, can you help me, sir? I have a configuration problem and it is not working. Sir, can you help me?
Okay, so what we will do is we will go one step after the other because if we break in between, then it might be confusing. I will get back to people with problems one after the other. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the first thing. The CMake install prefix tells you where you want to install root, and he has chosen the lib, the Python found in lib. And let's go scroll through, other options just to have some idea, because even in my computer it's slightly different. That's okay. Don't.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt, sir. Sir, I have installed Anaconda, and in terminal it is showing by base. So it means Anaconda is being installed. But sir, when I going to EHEP, that EHEP file means EHEP directory, then it is only showing like 3 directories: download, G4, and root. There is no
just a minute. I think it should be. Can someone confirm if they can find the?
That is in the home folder.
It's a home folder. Probably it's in the home folder. Can you check it in the home folder?
Yeah, it is home folder. Yeah.
We can put that.
So I have to put now home in place of that.
Yeah. So wherever you find that Anaconda 3/bin.python, put that location.
/home means, right?
Ah, yes.
Okay, /home. Okay, sir.
Okay, so let's go slowly down to other options that you might see. Come down, please. So yeah, the glue is not required, and come down. There's Pythia. Some people, physicists, might use that. Come down. Come down. Come down. Down, down, down. Yeah, slowly. Come down. Come down. Come down. Yes. Yeah. So most of the things are, well, not very interesting. Well, here is one thing. Okay. Hold on, please. So there is a built-in G-test. All right. So that is the Google test that someone was mentioning. I think it was Partha. So I don't know if you have enabled this option, you can try disabling this option. So this is for people who use Google tests, so to run tests on your code and all the stuff. So you can disable it and see if that helps. You can leave it like that. So don't worry. Or if it's already disabled, try enabling it. One of them should work. All right. So let's go down. Yeah. Yeah. So Abe, as I just mentioned, that built-in G test, I think you can enable it and see once again, configure it and see if it goes away. All right, so let's go down one after the other. Yeah, come down slowly, come down. Yeah, exclude D. Yeah, yes, come down. Yes, impression. CUDA is one thing. If you're using parallel GPU computing, if you're using CUDA neural networks, that seeds CUDA NN will be used. Yeah, come down. Data frame will be used. And I think there will be a session on how to use root data frames. Come down, please. Come down. Scroll down. Yeah. Yes. Come down. GDML is there. So if you're going to use GDML for creating geometries, you need to select that. Come down, please. Yeah. Come down, please. Down. Yes. Yes. Innovate is enabled. Yeah. Come down. And this is the nicest part of GUI. I know what options are there and I can enable or disable accordingly. But on a command line, I mean, of course, that's for experts. If you know already, it's straight. I mean, like we don't do it this way. We do it in a slightly different way. So here he has enabled pyroot, and this is very crucial. So pyroot is a Python binding to root. And I request all of you to make sure that this option is enabled, pyroot. Can you please highlight it once? Pyroot? Yes, exactly. Yeah, pyroot. Yeah. Can you just scroll down? Yeah, come down. Come down, please. Roofit should be enabled. Yes. Roofit, everyone make sure that it's enabled on yours. Yeah. Come down. Come down. All right. Yeah. Come down. Yes. FSL. Yeah, come down. PMVA. That's for machine learning. Yes, come down. Come down. Yes. Yeah. So I think, yeah, come down, please. Yes. So yeah, come down, please. Yes. Yeah. So this is the last option. So this is what you need to do. All right. If suppose tomorrow someone asks you, well, I have to install some other libraries, you just have to come check it and compile it again. And the compilation will be faster next time because it won't compile the entire root. It will just add that and give you the binaries. All right. So now what we have done, let's review. First thing is we have set the build path and then the install path. Can you go up? Yes, the install path is something that we have set. We have set it to install, and then we have also, most of you would have chosen that to be the Python directory to be whatever you prefer. And then we have selected the roofit and then the pyroot option also. These are the only things that we did. Of course, if you want something else that is important for you, you can select it. And now we just go to click generate. So configuring is also done. Generate, no, configuring is not required. Now we click generate. So please note that user bin Python 3.8. That's something that user 3.8. So that is the Python with which root will be compiled. We root will be using that Python. Okay. So Yeah, things are fine.
Sir, I'm Rohit.
Just a
I
minute.
just
Let me see. So Rohit, please go ahead.
yeah, sir. I just wanted to ask. So I'm on Mac, and I have root installed previously. So how can I check if the pyroot and roofit and all these things are there?
I'll come to that in some time. All right.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. So now everybody, please have a look at the screen. At the end, you should see these two lines: configuring done, generating done. So that already indicates success. So if there's an error in the configuration process or the generation process, you'll see some errors coming out. So that's already a good sign. So if you have got this, please raise your hand. I'm going a little slower because I want everyone to understand what's happening. I mean, it appears to be slow, but once you get used to the things, I mean, like you just have to. Yeah, Pato, you still have that problem?
Yeah, now sir, the configuration is done, but in the configuration page, in the Chrome executable, Firefox executable, Perl executable, and RT library, all these four as marked as red. But the configuring done, it is showing.
Then it's okay. You don't have to worry about it.
Okay, so
See,
now I
what
have to do the
happens is
generate
that
thing.
nowadays, in olden days, there was a T browser. All right. I don't know if you've heard about it, where you see all the root files and canvases. But now there is no more T browser. This is shown on a browser itself, the normal browser itself. Okay. You might be lacking some features, but don't worry about it. At this point, let's get it compiled, and later on we can figure out how to set things.
It's showing generating down also.
All right. Okay. All right. So now once the configuring done is done and the generating is done, you can forget about it. So just minimize the CMake part.
Sir,
Ahmadullah.
so sir, I was having the problem while configuring, so I cannot generate. I mean,
Yes.
it's not generating them.
So
So
can you just send at least a screenshot to my email or Google Classroom?
okay, okay.
Yeah. So that, because if I don't see it, I don't understand what's happening. Okay. All
Okay,
right.
sir.
So here now, once the configuring is done, let us see what is inside the build folder. Can you just open the build folder? Oh, that's strange. Oh yeah, it's here. Yeah. You can see previously the build folder was empty, but now as you configure and generated, the build files are there. So you can just arbitrarily open some of them, one of them, build-ins. Yeah, whatever. All right. So now what happens is as you compile, so now the next part is, so you generate the build files. You have to start the compilation. Okay. Go to the terminal and then go inside the build folder. You can open a new terminal, go inside the root build folder. No, build, the previous folder. Yeah, CD double dot. Yes, so everybody is in there, should be now in the root build folder. Now you have to start the compilation. So the command for compilation is this: make -j space -j 4. Please don't press enter. Please hold on. All right. So let me tell you what this does. Make is the command for compiling, and -j4 indicates the number of cores that you use for compiling. If your machine has 4 cores, you put 4. If you have a better system where you have 16 or 32, you can put that number there. Your compilation will be faster by that factor. All right. -j4 is not mandatory. If you don't put that 4, well, it just uses 1 core, and the compilation might be a little slower. All right. So make -J4. -J4. Or if you have more cores, we can make it as 8 or 16, whatever. Okay, so let's maximize your screen. All right, so please press enter, and this starts the compilation process.
Should I keep 3 for now? Because if I'm using all 4 cores, then
That's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. No, it doesn't matter. All right. So now, meanwhile, can you show what is in the install folder? I forgot to ask you to do that. Install folder. Let it run. So just install. It's empty, and you will see that once the compilation is done, everything will be in the install folder. All right. So let's go back to your terminal. So the install folder is empty. So, well, as it gets compiled on Jayesh's computer, I would like to ask you. No. Deepak's question is, does that mean building the software with using high number of cores will make it work faster? No. What I mean is the compilation will be faster. All right. Anyone who has any problems, please feel free to ask at this point.
So this is Shashank. Okay.
Shashank?
Yes, sir. I wanted to ask you that if you could explain what is the difference between the source and the binaries? I mean, if we install something from binaries.
All right. See, the source is just a code. All right, just a text, human readable text. However, a computer cannot understand text. It understands, it's a digital system. It understands only zeros and ones. And that's why we call it as a binary. So this text, which is in human readable format, that has to be converted into zeros and ones. And that's what the compilation process does.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can you explain it again? That we are actually doing while making a source directory, then build, and then let's install directory. Like what we are doing.
Okay, so let this installation get over. I will tell you. Then you will find what's happening. All right. So when this process of building happens, so it links to other libraries and creates the binaries and all this stuff. So that's a lot of construction going on, construction activity. So you've seen a construction activity, right? So around that, there'll be a lot of cement and broken bricks and tiles and all this stuff. Okay. So there, the build folder contains all this nonsense. Okay. And then, I mean, this is how you should think about it. I mean, and then once this building is over, then you take what is required for root to run and put it on the install folder. Okay, so the removing all the tiles and broken parts apart in the build folder. If you want, you can delete the build folder once the installation is done. Okay, but usually we keep it because sometimes what happens is I want to upgrade my root or want another additional feature. I just go to the CMake GUI, I enable it. Okay, it will use the previous build files and your compile will be faster then. So if the compilation has already started, and you see these numbers coming up, please raise your hand. There is a little time consuming, I understand.
Sir,
Yes.
so I just completed configuring. I wanted to ask if we had to change the Python directory from lib to something else.
That's what. If you, that's your personal preference because everyone has their own, work going on. I don't want to break that. So if you are okay with your existing Python distribution, you can leave it as lib. Otherwise, if you prefer the new Anaconda, you can set it to that Anaconda slash bin.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can I ask one question?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, go ahead, Kishan.
Yes, sir. Sir, yesterday I installed Anaconda, but it installed in my home directory.
Okay.
So can I copy that directory and paste
you
it
can do
on that EHEP and delete it on home directory? Is any change will happen or like?
You must be a little bit careful because I think it creates some entries in the bash RC file, and that probably refers to your folder on the home directory. Okay,
So I
so
should not do this.
it's at this point, let's not do that.
Okay, sir.
There are also some hidden folders of Anaconda on
Yeah,
home.
exactly. That's one more thing. Yes, right.
Can you repeat where is the folder?
So just give me 2 minutes break. I'll be right back.
हाँ मैं चले जाऊंगा जल्दी मैं 6:30 चले जाऊंगा मतलब मैं 7 बजे तक चल जाऊंगा
Sir, hello. बोले कि गए हैं तुम?
Okay. So if the installation is done for anyone, please raise your hands. Rahul, what is your problem? I mean, is it possible to send me a screenshot or something like that? All right. As this is getting installed, I would like to ask how many of you don't have Ubuntu or a Linux system with you right now, and you're just watching it for the sake of this school. Please raise your hands if you don't have a Linux computer. You're using a Windows computer. Okay. Is it the only? Are you the only one, or Daritri? And yeah, only two people. All right. Rohit.
I'm using Mac.
Mac. All right. Okay. So Priya. All right. So meanwhile, let it get done. So Jayesh, I request you to unshare your screen. I would like to show certain things to the students. Don't close it by any chance. Your Zoom is on the left. I think you can.
Is it unshared?
No, it's not yet. All right. Okay. Very good. Just a minute, I'll be back. All right, so let's go. There are some questions. So Jaideep, can you just share your screen if you don't mind? Jaideep?
So actually my internet connection is slow, so that's why I'm
All right, okay.
taking the lecture on tablet.
What might have happened is
So I've shared the whole error on Google Classroom.
Oh, okay. Oh, let me have a look at it. That's good. All right. Oh, okay. All right.
Hello, sir. I have a question.
Okay.
So this is Rajiv. Sir, first the CMake minus GUI command was not working on my terminal. So first I installed it install this package from my terminal, and now it is open. So I have selected the source code location and built the binaries location by browsing it, as you have
Okay.
said.
So just
So further, what should I do?
just give me a couple of minutes. I'm looking into this problem by just give me two minutes.
Okay, sir. Okay, fine.
So this is by who's this? Jaydeep, I see your error, and it seems to be oh, Jaydeep, can you just show me the root folder, the contents of your root folder? Just take a screenshot and send it back to me. All right.
Okay, sir.
All right. And Kushbu Sharma has requested something else.
Hello.
Yeah, Kushbu Sharma, can you just, I see your screenshot, but can you see what errors are there? And I need a full screenshot of that errors. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir. But actually, it is having problem in initial configuration only.
I mean, like what did you choose Unix this thing or Unix Makefile?
Sir, I accidentally choose that green flies something that.
Okay, so can you just share your screen, please? If you
Yeah.
don't know, yeah.
So, sir, is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible. Yeah, please go to.
So,
Yeah.
this is.
Okay.
Sir,
So, all right. That's correct. So go to file, top.
so yeah.
File. Yeah. Delete cache. No. File, delete cache. Okay. All right. Configure now. All right. So please select. Yeah. Yes. Okay. I just want to. Okay. I just want to just drag the bottom part where it shows some errors. I just want to see that.
Okay.
Yeah, just make it bigger, the down, not, yeah, that part, little bigger. Can you just make that space a bit? Okay, all right, come down. All right, just a minute. So this is what I sent already. You have to go to your terminal, open a terminal, parallelly, don't close it. Open a new terminal. You can minimize it.
Yeah.
Sudo apt-get, sudo, it's there already in the chat box. Space, apt-get, install lib xpm minus dev minus dev here. Yeah, please click on configure now. Come down and okay, go back to the terminal once again.
Some new terminal or that?
All right. once again, just press the up arrow on your computer, on your keyboard. So go to the previous command and replace XPM by XFT. Instead of XPM, it's XFT. That's this time. XFT. Okay, now configure again. Okay, can you just click OK?
Maybe just install Git here.
Okay, all right. So I think that the script that I sent, Git was already installed. I don't know why it is not. All right, so can you just install that? Go to your terminal, sudo. Please install Git.
So Git.
Yeah, apt get install Git, I think. No, apt minus get. Apt minus get. Yeah, no, there's a hyphen before Git. You should remove that. Yes, enter. No, there's no minus. There's no minus.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Should I configure again?
Okay, so now you can press generate. Just a minute. Hold on. Yeah, the install prefix has to be changed. Go to CMake install prefix. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, that has to be root. Copy the build. Yeah. Home Aurora desktop EHEP root install. Yeah, copy that second one. Copy the second one and paste. Yeah. Control C. Yeah. Paste instead of build, make it install. The last part. Yeah. The last one should be install. Yes. No. Remove build and replace it by install.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, select that. Yes. And the CMake install Python directory should be the Anaconda location. I think it's home /home. I think / Aurora. Yeah. / Anaconda 3 type. Just type Anaconda. Oh yeah, it's there. Anaconda. Go back. Yeah. /bin / Python. Yeah, that's all. Just configure again. And roof fit should be there. Roof fit.
Yeah, so it is enabled.
Also enabled. All right. So
Root is
now,
also enabled.
all right. You can click generate. Okay. All right, so that's perfect. Go to your terminal, open a new terminal, or the same terminal that you were typing with. Go to the root build folder, cd, EHEP, wherever EHEP. Root build, yeah. Enter. Make -J4. How many cores do you have?
So
Space.
18.
16. Make -J16. The 4 you can make it 16. Let's see how. Oh no, Control C. Make it it will be faster, yeah. Just up arrow, make -J16. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's quite fast. Wow. All right, so we will go to the, so as this is, oh my goodness, it's quite fast.
Hello,
All right,
sir.
so now go to Raji. Raji was
Hello.
asking a question. Raji?
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I was saying that the CMake -GUI command was not working on my terminal, so I first installed this package.
But
Okay,
actually,
so first
my
yes, sir.
EHEP script that should have installed CMake already. Because...
Sir, first I tried CMake 3 -GUI, and then it didn't found. Then I tried with CMake only, CMake -GUI. Then it asked for me that you want to download this package, install this package. Then I
All right,
installed it.
yeah.
Yeah. So now I have in CMake I have selected the binaries folder and the build folder, and deleted the cache. So next, what should I do? Like it's come like a CMake setup, and I have something like specify the generator for this project,
Yeah,
like
Unix
this.
makefile. Did you check Unix makefile?
No, sir. So should I check with the Unix makefile?
Yeah, you have to check. Yeah, that's what I've been telling so far.
Okay.
And click configure and make your install folder properly, Anaconda Python for paths properly.
Okay. So should I, I choose the default native compilers in it?
Yeah, the Unix makefile, and then that's it. Yeah, if you show me your screen, it's much faster.
Okay, sir.
So are you sharing your screen or?
Yes, sir. I'm just saying.
Yeah, please show me that.
Yes. So here I am.
I'm seeing your folder view. I don't see the CMake.
Give me 1 minute, sir.
Yeah, so we have 3 minutes to go, but we probably will extend by another 10 minutes. But is there anyone who has already completed the compilation? Please raise your hand.
Sir,
Who's this?
sir, I'm Sadhna and I have issues in installing these packages, libxpm dev. I mean, this is somewhere encountering issues with with Emacs. I mean,
Okay, so you cannot share your screen, right?
I can share now.
All right, so just a minute, I'll come back to you once I finish this problem of
Okay, sir.
Rajiv. Yeah. Yes, please click configure. Rajiv, please click configure.
So I configure it, sir.
But why is it not showing?
It's not showing.
Can you show me your
Maybe
folder,
some.
HEP folder, please?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Okay, I think he has left. Okay, meanwhile, Sadhana, can you please share your screen?
Okay, so
So I'm unable to share my entire screen. Maybe some network issue.
Okay, I just come back after Sadhana.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Okay, CMake minus GUI.
hello, sir. Can you see my screen?
Yeah. Please type CMake minus GUI.
Okay, so the thing is, the whole screen is not visible. Let me be sure. Can you now? No.
It's blank right now. Probably it takes some time to load. I don't know. Okay, Rajiv, you can share now.
Can you see my screen now?
Okay, yeah, all right. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, CMake minus GUI.
So okay, so I had problem with installation these softwares.
Okay.
So these were giving me these errors.
No, it's just telling that it is already okay. Let's go to this one. All right. Perfect. Okay, can you just show the errors tab down? Just. All right. Okay, come down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Last part, please. Scroll down. Yes. All right. So this is all okay. So can you just show me the options? Up. CMake install prefix. That prefix. Yeah. Go up. Yes. Up. All the way to the top. No, that install prefix should be set to root/install. Yeah.
So it should start from home, right?
Yeah. You can copy and paste it. The top you have typed, right? Build folder. You copy and paste and replace build by install. That's all. No, top. Yeah,
Yeah.
second one. Next
Okay,
one.
okay.
Yeah, good. Enter. And this Python directory, you can set it to this Anaconda home / sadhana verma / Anaconda 3. You've installed Anaconda, right, already?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. Home, yeah, replace Anaconda 3. Yeah, that's there already.
Yeah.
/bin /Python.
Okay.
Bin /Python. Yeah, good. Configure again. Great. Well, yes. All right, click generate. All right, so now go to the terminal and go inside the root build folder. cd EHEP root -. Make a new terminal, please. cd
Install, right?
no, build folder. Yeah, make -j, make -j4, or I don't know how many cores you have. Yes,
It
but
has, I think, 8.
yeah. So that's it. So you have to wait until it's done. So anyone who's got any problems?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have also.
Laltu, yeah.
Yes, sir. My CMake version is 2.8.12.2. It
Oh
is
no, you
showing
have to
that.
use CMake 3. You have to upgrade to CMake 3.
Sorry, it says it's failed.
Okay.
Sir, I upgraded it, but how to upgrade?
One at a time, please. Yeah. So yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, I am upgraded it, and it is showing in terminal that my CMake version is 3.12 or something. But when I type CMake GUI, then it is showing
CMake
that
3 minus GUI. Please I type CMake 3 minus GUI. Okay, so yes, Sadhana's this thing, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
where?
CMake error.
Can you scroll down, please?
Sir, CMake 3 minus GUI command not.
I'll just get back to you, please wait. Can you just once again go to that CMake GUI? You go that, yeah, that left on your panel, left panel. You can open that. No, left, yes. Left.
Okay, so GUI. Okay.
Can you just see X root D something like that and try to disable that? Come down. No, up. I see that. Up. This you can. Yeah. All right. I don't know if that's going to create any trouble, but let's try it to see. Yeah, configure and generate. Generate. And yeah, go back to your terminal and type make minus j.
Okay, so
Make minus j.
again.
Okay. It seems to be no. Type make clean. Make clean. Make clean and then no minus. Just make clean. Make minus j. Oh, that's very strange. I don't know what. Okay, so can you just post this screenshot on Google Classroom? I'll get back to you. But this is
Okay,
very
sir.
strange. Rahul, please go ahead.
Thanks. Okay.
Yeah, just take the screenshot and send it. Of that red part, of that red. Rahul, yes.
Sir, I have also same problem installing root by CMake. Can I share my
Yeah, it's the same
Okay,
problem,
let
is it?
me like stop sharing.
You have the same problem, Rahul?
Yes, sir.
So please post it on Google Classroom. I'll get back to you. This is very.
Yes, sir. Sir, one thing that my home folder Anaconda 3 bean the Python file not so, sir.
It's not
Maybe
there?
this not sir. No, sir.
Oh, that okay. So okay. Can you just Sadhana? Can you please okay, here's some share. Can you please show your Anaconda folder?
No,
Yeah, that Anaconda 3.
let me reshare them.
Yeah. So Laltu, just wait for some time. I will just finish this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you please open the Anaconda folder, Anaconda 3, wherever it is.
Okay.
Can use the the desktop instead of the terminal. Yeah. So home, your this thing Anaconda 3 is there. Yes. No, it's
Sorry,
no back.
sorry.
Home. Yeah, it's there. Bin Python should be. It's empty. Oh yeah, Python is there. Yes, it's there. So do you see it, Rahul?
Yes, sir.
And then you said that you did not see it.
Python.
Can you see the Python executable come down? Down. Let us scroll.
Should I scroll more?
Yeah. It's Python. It's alphabetically arranged. Yeah. It's there. It's there. Yeah. So nothing to worry. Yeah. So this X root D, I will just check it on. Laltu, you can tell me what is happening. I just.
Yes, sir. The CMake 3 minus GY command is not found.
Can you share your screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can you show
Okay.
my
Yes.
screen, sir?
All right. Yeah.
Sir, I am. Then it is CMake 3 minus GY. It's not
So if
found.
you open CMake minus GY.
CMake minus GY, then it is showing there.
Okay, can you close it, please? All right. Yeah, I don't know. Sudo apt-get update.
Sudo
apt-get minus get minus get
minus
get update.
Get.
Which version of Linux Ubuntu is it?
I don't know, sir.
Okay.
So it's completed.
Okay, now try that. CMake 3 minus GY.
Or not.
You can, what you can do is, yeah, just type CMake minus GY. Let's see if it works. No, close it. I don't know why it is. Okay, so sudo apt-get install that CMake qt minus GUI is there, right? You can, or just type CMake qt minus GUI.
CMake?
That you see that it's there upstairs. CMake minus qt minus GUI. CMake, no, it's there. Just above, just 2 lines above, you see that. CMake qt minus GUI, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Enter. Paste it and enter.
Yes, sir. Enter.
Enter.
Can I enter? Not found.
Then I install that. Sudo apt-get
Sudo apt-get
install.
Install.
Did you try installing that CMake 3 minus CMake 3?
CMake 3?
Yeah. CMake 3, not
just CMake.
CMake, the spelling is wrong. CMake 3.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir. CMake 3.
3.
Yes. Enter.
Yeah.
Unable to locate package CMake 3.
That is strange. All right. So just type uname minus a.
Yes, sir. Please.
Uname minus a.
Minus a.
Yeah. Okay. Just a minute.
Sir, talking something?
No, just a minute. I'm just checking what.
Okay.
Just type which CMake. Which CMake.
WL. Which CMake?
Yeah. Which CMake 3? Just a minute. Very strange. I don't know which version of Ubuntu you're using. Yeah, I'm just sending it to everyone. So I have sent a command on the chat box. Please copy it and put it on the terminal. Oh, it's quite old. Okay. Well, I don't think you can install CMake 3 here. You need to have next version.
Okay, sir. Then I have to
Yes.
update my Ubuntu
So
version.
yeah, you have to just sudo apt-get upgrade. Well, it's going to take a lot of time. You can't do it today. You have to. That's the
I will
problem.
do that, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I will do that.
Sudo apt-get upgrade. Okay.
Yes.
So
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
Sir, I have Ubuntu 22.04, but I'm getting the same error as he was getting. And I tried to install CMake 3, but it doesn't work.
No. So which version of Ubuntu?
22.04.
Can you share your screen or it's not possible?
So it's not possible to share my screen.
Okay. Did you type sudo apt-get install CMake 3?
Yes, sir.
What does it say?
So I can do it again, sir.
Yeah.
So it was showing unable to locate package CMake 3.
You have a Synaptic Package Manager on your computer or no?
So that I don't know.
Okay, or let me just a minute. Just sending.
I've shared the errors on Google Classroom.
Yeah, sure. I'm just sending a message, chat box. So type that command and let me know if it works.
Sir,
Yes.
this is Abhay. So I wanted to ask, I am using make minus J4. My processor is quad core. But the thing is, as soon as it's getting to 61%, the terminal is closing itself. So should I also do it with make clean or should
You
I
can
keep
try
trying?
it out. You can try it out. Probably, I mean, one thing is what's the RAM of your computer? Physical?
Sir, 4 GB.
4 GB, that's quite low. That's so
Hmm.
let's start with 1 core. All right. So here is Partho, who has completed the compilation. Partho, congratulations. Please share your screen.
Sir?
Yes.
Yes, sir. I've run the command and it's showing snap CMake is already installed.
Then I don't know. I mean, CMake 3. Is it which? Can you type CMake 3? Which CMake 3?
Yes, sir.
All right. So meanwhile, as you do it, so for others, oh, okay. Yeah, can you just maximize it? All right. So what you've done so far is just compiling this thing. All right. You have not installed the software. So as the install in the language of Linux is essentially taking the essentials and putting into the separate folder. All right. So now the next command that you have to issue is make install. Make install. Make space Install. Install. Yeah. Yes. Enter. Great. So that is essentially the thing that is. Oh, you don't have Anaconda installed there, or
Yeah, I have Anaconda installed.
but it's not. It says that it's not a directory.
Instead of writing bin/python till bin is enough.
Oh,
It
yes,
has to be
yes,
directory.
yes, it's a directory. All right. So can you go to the CMake that GUI, please, once again? I mean, it won't take much time. Don't worry. Yeah. Hopefully. Yeah. That. Yes. Can you just? Yeah. That should be just bin. Yes. Configure. Generate. I'm sorry about it. I don't know how I make this. Yeah, just go to your terminal. Same terminal. Go to the build folder. Make -J4. Oh, great.
Enter.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a question. Can I ask?
Let me finish this and get back to you because there's an
Okay, sir.
important thing that I want to say. Okay, let's. I think it's. Who was that, please?
Keshav, can I ask, sir?
Oh yeah, please go ahead, Keshav.
Sir, in this we have installed our root using CMake. Sir, previously I installed root with DC, like DC make command. So what is difference between like these practically? Like,
What do you mean by DC make?
like we don't click that, we just put commands and another like window open. Like
Oh,
not
okay,
this
so
way.
you did on command line, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, there's no difference. Absolutely no difference. And the GUI is more user friendly for people who are first timers. Okay, lets you choose the options. All right.
Okay.
And whatever you do on the terminal, the GUI does in the background.
Okay, okay.
That's the only difference. Essentially, both are same.
So I have other question. Like, so when we command df -h, then we in our terminal it comes dav sd1 and dav sd6. So what are these?
These are the partitions in your hard disk. Different
So
partitions.
so what like dav sda6 means? Like it means all the software will installed in this.
Not necessarily. All right. So different partitions. It depends on how you have formatted your computer. Like for example, in Windows we say C drive, D drive, and E drive, right? Where you
Yes,
put
sir.
what is up to you. So these are exactly like that. Yeah, partitions.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Recording in progress.
Okay, so now make install, please. Make install. Yeah, enter. All right, so that completes the installation process. Okay, now there's one important part that is very important that everyone forgets. Now it is possible that you have multiple installations. Okay, so if anyone asks you where your root is installed, well, you should show this folder, the root, the root/install folder is where the root is installed. So if you want to use this root, the next thing that you have to do is please go to the install folder now. So can you show me that install folder? Patu, please.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, inside the root folder, root install folder, you have all these things. And inside the bin folder, can you just open the bin folder inside the install? First one. Yes. There are a lot of executables. Okay. And you will see that there's a script called this root.sh. Can you just point your pointer at this root.sh? Yeah, the last but one. This root.sh. Yes. So this is a script that you should execute. All right, where is this script? This is in root install bin. All right. So this is a script that you should execute in order for your root to be root libraries to be loaded. Okay, so please go to your terminal now. So this root.sh is in root install bin. Please go to your terminal. So go to that install folder, cd ... install. Please make your terminal a little bigger, please, because it's getting recorded, it will be useful for others.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So can you make a little bit bigger? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So now we are inside root install bin folder where the this root.sh file is there. So you have to source this file. So source. Yes. Source this root.sh. Enter. Okay. And this has to be done whenever you want to use this particular root installation. Every root installation comes with this root.sh in its bin folder. So if you want, so it happens in many experiments that some codes are written with root 5, some with root 6. So you have multiple root installations. So which one you're going to use depends on which one you source. All right. So this, if you forget to do, sometimes the root will not work. You cannot start root. So how do I check root works? So type root, ROOT. Exactly. So that is a symbol that everything is installed. The root version is 6.28. So let's see one more thing. T canvas T, capital T. Canvas. Space T. Yeah. And press enter.
Capital
T. No, NT. Small t doesn't matter. All right. So yeah, essentially this works. Okay. And then if you want to quit the terminal, that's very important. So you have to type .q. Go to your root terminal and type .q. Yeah, that's it. All right. And if you open a new terminal, please open a new terminal. Type root now. Yeah, root is not found, and that is because you have not sourced that file. So whenever you open your terminal, you have to type that source this root.sh. So source.
So every time I have to execute root from this bin folder.
Exactly. All right. But there is an alternative. You have a file called, all Linux distributions have a file called bashrc, .bashrc, and you can put that source, this root.sh, in the bashrc file, and automatically whenever you open the terminal, that gets executable. You don't have to do that. But this is, I'm just telling you so that people understand. Tomorrow I'm going to explain how to do that part. Okay. All right. So I think it's already late for most of you. So we will stop here. And tomorrow I will take up some more questions, because Geon4 installation is even more complicated. So as Geon4 gets installed, I will try to resolve your issues some of you had today. All right. So if there are no other problems, I'm going to end the recording. All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
See you tomorrow.